What if I told you that the video you're watching right now could be created by AI in just a few minutes? Without a camera, without editing skills, and without spending a single dollar? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI videos using Kling AI completely free, even if you've never made a video before. AI video creation is becoming one of the fastest growing trends online, and Kling AI is one of the most powerful tools available right now. The best part? You don't need any experience to get started. First, open Kling AI and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see different AI video creation options. For beginners, the easiest method is text to video. Simply type a detailed description of the video you want to create. For example, instead of writing a dog running, try something more specific, like a golden retriever running through a green field during sunset with cinematic lighting and realistic motion. The more details you provide, the better your results will be. After entering your prompt, choose the video settings. Select your preferred aspect ratio depending on where you want to upload the video. For YouTube Shorts and TikTok, choose vertical. For regular YouTube videos, choose landscape. Next, click the Generate button and let Kling AI work its magic. Within a few minutes, the AI will create a video based on your description. But here's a pro tip. Don't settle for the first result. If the video isn't exactly what you imagined, modify your prompt and generate again. Small changes in wording can dramatically improve the quality. Another powerful feature is image to video. Upload a photo, and Kling AI can turn that image into a moving, realistic video. This is perfect for content creators, marketers, and social media users who want eye-catching visuals without expensive software. You can also combine multiple AI-generated clips to create longer videos. Add background music, voiceovers, or subtitles using free editing tools, and you'll have professional-looking content ready for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. The reason so many creators are switching to AI video tools is simple. They save time, reduce costs, and make content creation accessible to everyone. And that's how you can create amazing AI videos with Kling AI for free, even with zero experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you want to create next. Thanks for watching.